Spring break just got bigger on the upper Texas coast in Crystal Beach, Texas, with the Spring Break Secret Phrase giveaway from Bolivar Live. March 9th through the 13th, we're giving away one RTIC cooler each day, loaded with koozies, frisbees, shirts, tumblers, gift cards, and more. Tune in every morning at 6 a.m. for the first Bolivar Live show to catch that day's secret phrase. Then hit the road and find the Bolivar Live truck cruising Bolivar Peninsula. Say the secret phrase and win. One cooler, one winner every day. Spring break on Bolivar Peninsula starts with Bolivar Live. Special thank you to the following businesses for making the secret phrase giveaway possible: Crystal Beach Dumpster Service, Island Liquor, Beth Appleby Realtor, Latitude 29 Surf Shop, Prestige Custom Builders, Bolivar Live TV, Palapa RV Beach Resort, Cunningham Living, and the Big Store. Thank these businesses while you're here on our 27 miles of paradise, Bolivar Peninsula. Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and I tell you what, we're running out of winter, heading into spring, and before you know it, summertime will be here and summer vacations. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a Texas-sized RV resort here on the upper Texas coast, Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach. You can't beat the amenities that this location has. Beachfront, Paradise Park Fins Bar and Grill, the Texas-sized pool, and I mean Texas-sized pool, an awesome sunrise over the upper Texas coast, and sunset over Bolivar Peninsula. So let's dive on in and see exactly what Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach is all about. The minute you pull into Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach, you'll realize you found your luxury travel destination here on the upper Texas coast. An RV resort like no other. And we're going to show you some of the things, amenities that they have today. Right now you're looking at Paradise Park, the bounce pad, and I tell you what, we're going to swing around and let you see that Texas-sized pool. And the pool also has VIP suites above it and cabanas that you can rent by the day, so you can get a little shade while you're catching those rays. And the pool does have an adult side and a kid's side. Both sides offer the swim up bar with a happy staff to serve you your favorite drink. One great thing about Camp Margaritaville is the back end and pull-through sites. All of them are cemented with a fire pit, picnic table, and some even have a pet-friendly area, a fenced-in area for Fido. The whole family's welcome at Camp Margaritaville. But for those, maybe you want to make a quick trip down and enjoy a show, they do have RVs fully furnished. All you have to do is pull up and enjoy your stay. And maybe RVs aren't your thing? Don't worry. Camp Margaritaville now has some awesome homes ready for you to enjoy, and some even have a hot tub underneath them. You know, no matter where you stay at Camp Margaritaville, I can guarantee you're going to enjoy it. You're going to be able to relax, vacation, and live the coastal life. Leave your worries behind and think of the coastal breeze and the sunshine in your face the days ahead. But with Paradise Park, the great part is you never have to leave to enjoy some great live music. Let's take a look and see what's coming in the days, weeks, and months ahead to Camp Margaritaville and Paradise Park. Some music you can enjoy and you're not going to want to miss. You know, live music is a big part of Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas. And I tell you what, spring break this year is no different. And we're going to take a look at some of the free shows and some of the big shows coming in 2026 you're not going to want to miss. Signing up for their newsletter is a great way to keep up with the live music they have booked in 2026. And not only the big paying shows, but there's some great up and comers that you're not going to want to miss. That Camp Margaritaville really goes out of their way to have a big genre of different kind of musicians, both big names and up and coming stars. Let's take a look and see who's coming so far in 2026. And you can always get all this information off their website at www.campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Let's dive on in. Friday, February 20th, Cole Stevens. Saturday, February 21st, Clayton Landau. Friday, February 26th, Braden Zink. Saturday, February 28th, Sequoia Rose. Now let's take a look at the music for spring break. And they've got about 15 days of live music for spring break 2026. And what better time than sleeping in, waking up and walking the beach, enjoying a Texas-sized pool, maybe take a stroll down the beach and enjoy a great lunch at Finn's Bar and Grill. But as the sun sets, I can tell you, you're going to want to be at Paradise Park. We're also going to look and see who they have coming for the months ahead and into this summer, because you're going to want to make your reservations now. Kicking it all off is Sunday, March 8th, is Roger Creager live on stage. Friday, March 13th, Flight of the Keys Dueling Pianos. Saturday, March 14th, Colby Cooper. Saturday, March 21st, Blacktop Mojo. Easter weekend, Saturday, April 4th, the Chi Whiz live on stage. Saturday, May 23rd, for Memorial Day weekend, back again is Pat Green. And Sunday, May 24th, also Memorial Day weekend, Bag of Donuts live on stage. A Southeast Texas favorite, Saturday, June 13th, Tracy Bird. Saturday, June 27th, the Bellamy Brothers live. Sunday, July 5th, Tracy Lawrence, 4th of July weekend. Saturday, July 25th, Aaron Watson live on stage. Well, as you can see, they've got some great live music set up for 2026 at Paradise Park, and stay up to date by visiting their website at campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Now's your time to make your plans, make your reservations, see who's coming to Paradise Park, and enjoy a Texas-sized RV resort here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. For more information on Camp Margaritaville and to sign up for their newsletter where they send out information on live music, discounted stays, and more, please visit their website at campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Sign up for that newsletter and stay informed. If you see the Bolivar Live truck there, flag us down and ask us what's free today. We always have free giveaways in the truck for anyone that asks. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you at Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach in 2026. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Camp Margaritaville in 2026. God bless and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.